Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 222 whole to the power 3x plus 222 whole to the power x is equal to 222. So guys, today I am telling you how to find the value of x from this algebraic equation. Guys, our given algebraic equation is 222 whole to the power 3x plus 222 whole to the power x is equal to 222. So guys, in this algebraic expression on the left hand side there are two terms, and in the place of first term, according to this formula, we can write in here 222 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus in the place of second term, again we have to write 222 whole to the power x is equal to, on the right hand side of this equation, again we have to write 222. Let 222 whole to the power x is equal to a. Then we can write from this equation a to the power 3 plus a is equal to 222. So guys, now we have to transpose 222 from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes a to the power 3 plus a minus 222 is equal to 0. So guys, after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation a to the power 3 plus a. Guys, in the place of minus 222, we can write in here minus 216 minus 6 is equal to 0. After that, our next step will be a to the power 3 minus 216 plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. After that, we can write from the first two terms a to the power 3 minus 6 to the power 3 plus, again we have to write a minus 6 is equal to 0. So guys, according to this formula, we can write from the first two terms on the left hand side a minus 6 times a square plus a times 6 plus 6 to the power 2, first bracket close, plus again we have to write a minus 6 is equal to 0. So guys, on the left hand side of this equation there are two terms, and the common factor of two terms is a minus 6. So we can write from these two terms a minus 6 times a square plus 6 times a plus 36 plus 1 is equal to 0. After that, it will be a minus 6 times a square plus 6a plus 37 is equal to 0. So guys, according to zero product rule, we can write from this equation a minus 6 is equal to 0 and a square plus 6 times a plus 37 is equal to 0. So guys, we can write from this first equation a is equal to 6. Guys, to find the value of x, we have to put the value of a on the left hand side of this equation. So guys, on the left hand side we have to write 222 whole to the power x is equal to 6. To find the value of x from this equation, we have to take log on both sides. So we can write in here log of 222 whole to the power x is equal to log of 6. To simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula log of a to the power n is equal to n times log of a. So according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side x times log of 222 is equal to log of 6. After that, we have to transpose log of 222 from left hand side to right hand side. Then we can write from this equation x is equal to log of 6 over log of 222. So guys, the value of log of 6 is 0.78 approximately over the value of log of 222 will be 2.35 approximately. It will be 0.332 approximately, which is our real solution. And so guys, according to Siddhacharya formula, we can write from this equation a is equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 37 over 2 times 1. So guys, it will be minus 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 148 over 2. It will be minus 6 plus minus square root of minus 112 over 2. So guys, it will be minus 6 plus minus the square root of minus 112 will be 4 times square root of minus 7 over 2. So guys, it will be minus 3 plus minus 2 times square root of minus 7. So guys, it will be minus 3 plus minus 2 times square root of 7 times square root of minus 1. So guys, it will be minus 3 plus minus 2 root 7 times I. Guys, we know that square root of minus 1, that is I. So it will be minus 3 plus minus I times 2 square root of 7, which is our imaginary solution. So guys, the given equation has one real solution and two imaginary solution. So guys, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.